How do I create and manipulate vectors in R? If you are curious about how to create and manipulate vectors in R, you are in for a treat. Vectors are the backbone of data handling in R, making them essential for anyone interested in data analysis or programming. Let's break down how to work with them in a straightforward way. First off, what exactly is a vector? In R, a vector is an ordered collection of elements that are all of the same type. This could be numbers, characters, or logical values. To create a vector, you will primarily use the combine function, which is written as C followed by parentheses. For instance, if you want to create a vector of employee names, you can write employees equals C open parenthesis, Sabby, Kathy, Lucy close parenthesis. This command creates a vector, named employees, that contains 3 character elements. If you need to create a sequence of numbers, R has a handy colon operator. For example, if you write numbers equals 1:10, you will generate a vector containing the numbers from 1 to 10. For more control over sequences, you can use the sequence function. For instance, sequence open parenthesis from equals to equals 100 by equals 1 close parenthesis creates a numeric vector from 2 to 100, incremented by 1. Vectors can also hold decimal numbers. For example, if you write numbers 1 equals 1.5:6.5, you will create a sequence of decimal numbers. Just keep in mind that if the last number does not fit the sequence step, it will be excluded. Now, let's talk about accessing and manipulating elements within a vector. You can access elements using square brackets with indices. Remember, indexing starts at 1 in R, so if you have a vector named x, writing x open bracket 1 close bracket will give you the first element. You can also access multiple elements by providing a range or a vector of indices. For example, x open bracket 1:5 close bracket retrieves the first 5 elements. Vectors support various operations, including arithmetic and logical operations that apply to each element. This feature is particularly useful for transforming data and performing calculations. If you want to modify an element, simply assign a new value to a specific index. For instance, x open bracket to close bracket equals 10 changes the second element of vector x to 10. Combining vectors is also simple with the C function, allowing you to append or merge vectors easily. In practical terms, vectors in R are widely used in data science and machine learning. They help manage datasets efficiently and perform statistical analysis. The ability to work with vectors allows for fast computation, as R can apply operations to entire vectors without needing explicit loops. This efficiency is crucial for processing large-scale data. Understanding how to create and manipulate vectors is foundational for working with more complex data structures, such as matrices and data frames in R. By mastering vectors, you set yourself up for success in the world of data analysis and programming.